Hello friends, let us learn in this video how to represent any set by roster method. So before presenting the set in roster method, we must learn some terminology, how to use them. So first one, to denote any set, we use capital alphabet like capital A, capital B. You might have heard about capital N for natural number, capital W for whole number. So we use capital letter to denote any set. What about their elements? Elements we indicate with small alphabet. Now next what we should know, that belongs to sign. The purple color symbol is known as belongs to sign. For example, 5 belongs to natural number, 7 belongs to natural number, 10 belongs to natural number. Similarly, we have does not belongs to. For example, 0 does not belongs to natural number, -1 does not belongs to whole number. So all this terminology we must know. As you have seen, natural number we indicate by capital N, whole number we indicate by W, integers we indicate by I, the rational number we indicate by Q, and the real number we indicate by R. As you know, your natural number is contained inside the whole number. So we can say that natural number belongs to whole number. But can we say whole number belongs to natural number? No. Why? Because the whole number have one element more than the natural number. Similarly, whole number belongs to integer? Yes. But can we say integer belongs to whole number? No. Same way, integer belongs to rational number, but rational number does not belongs to integers. Similarly, we have rational number belongs to real number, but real number does not belongs to rational number. I hope this terminology is clear. Now we will see one by one to write the set in a roster form. Roster form, other name for it we have also got listing method. Listing means writing each and every element what is given to us, indicating each and every elements of the set. Roaster word you might have also heard by roasting paneer tikka, by roasting chicken pieces, those they eat non-veg. So we roast each individual piece whichever we like to roast. That's why in this set we write down each element or indicate them with a particular symbol. For example, group of natural number. Capital N is indicating the name, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dot indicating the elements, and we try to keep them close inside the curly bracket. So capital N equals to curly bracket start 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, and then we close the bracket. Why that is so on? Because natural number can go till infinity. Same way, whole number we indicate with W, and we indicate in the roster form W equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 dot. Group of whole number greater than 5 but less than 10. See here what will come? A is the name of a set. Since they have not given what to take it, we have taken it A alphabet and it is used as a capital letter. The elements will be 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we have written in the set form. Now one more thing we have to learn. Write the set in a roster form. A, set of even natural number. If you remember, even natural numbers means what will come? A equals to 2, 4, 6, comma 8, comma dot 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 dot. Why? Again the natural number goes till infinity, so the even number from it also will be going till that. We cannot write everything, so we put dot dot dot. That is the way we indicate that all the numbers are there. Similarly, we have got C set, set of negative integers. So I want only negative integers, which can be written as C equals to -1, -2, -3, and so on. They want us to write down this in a symbol form. P equals to curly bracket. P is an element such that P is an odd number. Now odd number, when they said, we can take it as a P set whose all the elements, which is all are odd numbers. How do we write down? See here, P equals to 1, 3, 5, 7. So this is the way we indicate our listing method or roster method.